Hey everyone, welcome. Today, I'm here to help you beat anxiety with some quick calming yoga techniques. Whether you're dealing with a stressful day or just need a moment to yourself, these simple practices can bring you peace in just a few minutes. Let's start with some deep breathing. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a second, then slowly breathe out through your mouth. Repeat this 3 times, focusing on the sensation of your breath. Feel the tension start to melt away. Next, we'll move into a gentle seated forward fold. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently fold forward, reaching for your toes. Don't worry if you can't reach them, just go as far as you comfortably can. Hold this position for a few breaths, feeling the stretch along your back and legs. Now let's try a simple cat-cow stretch. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back and look up, letting your belly drop towards the floor. This is the cow position. As you exhale, round your back, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine. This is the cat position. Move through these positions a few times, following the rhythm of your breath. Finally, let's end with a relaxing child's pose. From your hands and knees, bring your big toes together and sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here, letting your body fully relax. Remember, these techniques are your tools to create calm moments anytime you need them. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to manage anxiety and bring your mind back to a state of peace. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these techniques helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more yoga and wellness tips. Take care and see you next time.